What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Next up, we're gonna get a blush brush. This is great for blush, applying it to the cheeks, going back with my palette in the light pink. I like to start my blush just right at the apples of the cheek. A little on the nose to make it look like I have circulation. A little bit on the head. This will fade into the skin as well, so you're not going to be walking around looking super pink. Then a darker blush for this part of the cheek. Just swirling it into the skin. That's a lot of color. It's kind of extreme. So I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and just encourage it to blend a little bit. I don't want to take away all that work I did. I just want to combine